slots for the CAT exams are out, so you can check कि आपको कौन सा slot assign हुआ है. If you scroll all the way down, you will find आपका कौन सा. Hello everyone, welcome to another video of the CAT Prep series. Today is day 16 of my preparation. Today morning I woke up to an email from Google saying that my YouTube has been terminated. And then I tried to log in and my account was deleted. I don't know why they have deleted it, but the reason that they have quoted is because it seems like my account is run by a bot. YouTube will look like a bot to you. Am I not human enough to be on YouTube? But anyway, मैंने उसके लिए अपील कर दी है. I don't know if I am going to get my access back to the YouTube account or no. Hopefully I do. आज है Monday और आज I have a lot of office work. So सबसे पहले I will finish my office work, but the plan for the day is that I will finish logarithm. सबसे पहले मैं logarithm करके खत्म कर दूंगा. As soon as I'm done with logarithm, I will start with time speed distance. Arithmetic में बस मेरा एक ही topic रह गया है, that is time speed distance. Whereas in algebra I have quite a few topics left. Once I'm done with these two topics, then I will start doing sectionals and I will start taking full length mocks as well. A quick update on my YouTube channel. मेरा account तो recover हो गया है, but I still cannot access it. Whenever I'm trying to log in back into my YouTube account, it's saying too many failed attempts. Try again later after some time. तो जितना मैंने ऑनलाइन पढ़ा उससे मेरे को यही पता लगा है कि we'll have to wait at least 48 hours before trying to log in again. 2 दिन तक तो कोई वीडियो नहीं आएगी. What I'll do is I'll make one long video and I'll put it on YouTube once I get my access back.
6.5 hours later.
I'm done with logarithms. There were 2 lectures. Out of those 2, I'm done with 1.5. The other half, which I didn't do, was all about number system, I think. Because usme in every fucking question, we had to find what is the range of x. I think that's more related to number system and other algebraic stuff. So once I prepare algebra and number system, उसके बाद ही I will be able to solve those questions, the वो वाले questions. For now I have skipped going to my bed now. It's very late. See you tomorrow. So tomorrow I have to go to the office. Ready to go. How do I look? Back from the office, but again I still have a lot of office work to finish and पहले वो finish करेंगे and then I will start with preparation. आज जल्दी मैं वापस आ गया. It's not even 6 because literally nobody was there in the office. मैं अकेला बैठ के यार था. Confusion हो रहा है. Should I do algebra only today or should I finish time speed distance? Time speed distance is a big topic, so I know I have to dedicate not just one day but multiple days. और मेरा algebra का एक topic जो है indices and so I'll be able to finish today itself.
A few moments later.
आज finally भाई बहुत ही बड़ा काम करने जा रहा हूँ मैं. This is like one of those life changing moments in my life. ये काम भाई बहुत सदियों से मैंने नहीं किया है. आज मेरी लाइफ चेंज होने वाली है. Wish me luck everyone. ये दिख रहा है? आज मैं लॉन्ड्री करूँगा. भाई लॉन्ड्री तो हो गई है बट लेकिन अब उससे भी एक खतरनाक टास्क आ गया है बिकॉज अब मेरे को कपड़े सुखाने पड़ेंगे. एंड हाउ डज दिस वर्क? प्लीज एक्सप्लेन दिस. आई डिड दिस मच ऑफ लॉन्ड्री टुडे. कैन यू सी? I'm left with this much more. The math is not mathing. Even after doing laundry, how am I left with laundry, man? Nothing is making sense now. CAT की वजह से मेरा दिमाग चलना बंद हो चुका है.
The next day.
Today is day 18, I think. और मेरे पास बहुत सारा ऑफिस वर्क है. And it's very late right now. I got up in the afternoon and I was working till very late last night and because of that I was not able to give any time to CAT as well. भाई जॉब भी करनी है, otherwise ये लोग मेरे को जॉब से निकाल देंगे और फिर मेरा CAT भी नहीं निकलेगा और जो हाथ में मेरी जॉब है वो भी चली जाएगी. I guess we have to find a balance. I can't completely ignore my job. ठीक है, फिर सबसे पहले I need to finish off my office work. Like 4-5 hours of work is remaining. उसके बाद I will start my CAT prep. आज के मेरे एजेंडा में है I'll do indices and sorts today and do a bit of quadratic equations as well. Geometry भी जल्दी चालू करेंगे, triangles and circles करेंगे and that's about it. Also I'm having instant coffee today and it tastes like shit. Once you switch to freshly brewed coffees, you can't have instant coffee. Brunch time. आज brunch में बहुत unhealthy कर रहा हूँ. I'm doing eggs and yogurt. Usually I keep it healthy. I have like chole bhature and whatnot.
Stop it. Get some help.
8 बज गए अब. I'm done with a lot of office work. I'm still left with a lot of it. बट यार अब मैं बहुत ज़्यादा थक गया हूँ. सो अभी I'll go take a shower and then shower लेने के बाद मैं अपनी पढ़ाई चालू करूँगा and I will finish the पढ़ाई and then get back to office work. ये वाला वीक काफ़ी हेक्टिक है, कमर टेढ़ी हो चुकी है बट ठीक है भाई. नहा धो लिया मैंने. I had my dinner as well and I took a short nap, not a long nap, like 10-15 minute. I just slept off and now I feel a lot fresher. And अभी चालू करते हैं अपनी पढ़ाई से. Indices and surds से मैंने सोचा था चालू करूँगा, but I think it's a better idea that I start with quadratic equation, क्योंकि quadratic equation is a huge topic and there's a lot of practice to be done. Total 4 lectures हैं इसके 2-2 घंटे के each, and there are some like concept building videos as well. तो फिर we will start with the concept building videos first, ताकि we don't get confused while we are watching the actual lectures. Syllabus खत्म होगा कि नहीं, I don't know. Syllabus में what I'm planning to do is just arithmetic, algebra and geometry. तो ये 3 topics I guess अगर मेरे cover हो जाते हैं तो I can hope for a good score in the CAT exam. But लेकिन अगर ये तीनों topic भी मेरे खत्म नहीं होते हैं तो it's very hard for me to get a good score. And अभी तो भाई 5 नवंबर हो गई है. I need to practice as well. I need to start giving mocks. I don't know, man. And by the way, the slots for the CAT exams are out, so you can check कि आपको कौन सा slot assign हुआ है. So you can go to the CAT website. There you can download your application form. If you scroll all the way down, you will find आपका कौन सा slot है. मेरे को slot 1 मिला है because I'm such a morning person. I think just to fuck with me, these people have given me the first session. Everyone repeat after me. Minus b under root b square. No. Minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. सही बोल रहा हूँ ना भाई? हाँ ठीक है. हो गया quadratic equation खत्म. a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. a minus b whole square equals a square plus b square minus 2ab. a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b. a minus b का whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab. a minus b bracket में a square minus b square is equal to a plus b का whole square minus 4ab.
The next day.
भाई तो कल रात मैंने एक लेक्चर कर लिया था क्वाड्रेटिक का और I just laid down on my bed to just take some rest. And जैसे ही मैं लेटा वैसे मेरे को नींद आ गई और मैं सो गया. तो आज मेरे को जाना है ऑफिस. घर आके वापस मैं कंटिन्यू करूंगा अपनी पढ़ाई. Thank you everyone for watching. Drop your progress in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like this. Signing off. Bye bye.